Welcome to the 2022 fiscal presentation. My name is Adele Rowland, and I am the CFO for Nueces County Community Action Agency. Your responsibilities as a board and policy council member: to provide oversight, accept annual audit and actions deemed necessary to correct audit findings, review IRS Form 990, approve annual organization-wide budget, review monthly financial reports, fiduciary responsibility over retirement plan, and approve changes to fiscal policies and employee handbook. Source of funds. Source of funds: federal, state, and local. We receive funding from the Birth to 5 Head Start program from HHS, Child Care Food Program from USDA, Community Services Block Grants from HHS passed through the state, Comprehensive Energy Assistance Program from HHS passed through the state, DOE Weatherization Assistance Program from Department of Energy passed through the state, LIHEAP Weatherization Assistance Program from HHS passed through the state, NeighborWorks America from Department of Treasury, as well as local fundings from Reliant Energy, CPL, and NEC. Non-federal share match and in-kind. Non-federal share match. It is a statutory requirement of the Head Start Act that the grantee agency provide 20% of total costs of the Head Start program unless a waiver has been granted. In-kind contributions must be provided and expended during the project period along with federal funds to satisfy the matching requirements. In-kind refers to goods and services and transactions not involving money. Non-cash transactions made by a recipient or non-federal third party that are necessary and reasonable for accomplishing program objectives and are allowable under applicable cost principles. Some examples are volunteer time, use of space, and training. Fiscal duties and responsibilities: to provide information technology and support, benefit administration, managing insurance needs, HR oversight and administration, procurement of goods and services in accordance to OMB guidance and internal procurement policy, weekly payment processing to vendors, contractors, biweekly payroll, timely tax filings, and payments for withholdings, monthly financial reports to the board and fiscal audit committee, prepare comprehensive annual financial report and single audit, prepare annual retirement for 3B audit, maintain an automated accounting and record system, maintain effective working relationships with program directors, providing assistance in budget preparation and forecasting, develop and implement policies and procedures, ensure effective internal controls are in place. Fiscal organizational chart. This is the makeup of the fiscal department, headed by the CFO. We have a controller that is over a payroll and benefits specialist, a benefits clerk, an accounts payable specialist, and 2 accounting specialists. We have an IT coordinator over an IT support specialist, and we have a human resources manager over an HR generalist, an HR specialist, and an HR assistant. Fiscal key processes and internal controls. Information technology maintains NCCAA network environment, computer equipment, surveillance equipment, and telecommunications, maintenance, support, and upgrades to employee workstations, software installations and upgrades to operating systems, stays current with changing technology, management and maintenance of agency website, manage user domain and email accounts, purchase, receives, configures, and deploys all new technology equipment, diagnose and repair computer hardware and software-related issues, maintains surveillance system, fire and burglar alarm systems, and telecommunications. Benefits administration. Manage insurance needs for NCCAA workforce through PlanSource. PlanSource is the online cloud-based platform that offers NCCAA employees easy benefits shopping and enrollment. It is a one-stop shop for all benefit activities and reports. PlanSource is available 24/7. NCCAA Benefits Center is a free and confidential bilingual hotline available to assist employees with questions and benefits. Employees may also choose to meet face-to-face with payroll and benefits specialists. Human Resources maintains and develops NCCAA workforce, employee relations, new recruitment through an applicant tracking software called CareerPlug, pre-employment tests, onboarding and new employee orientation, training and development, handles EEOC, ADA, and FEMLA, unemployment claims and appeals, investigations and terminations, conducts periodic pay surveys, ensures labor law compliance, risk management, including COVID-19, reports worker comp injuries. Procurement of goods and services. This table indicates the thresholds in place when procuring goods and services. The table also indicates required approvals and required solicitation of quotes and bids. Accounts payable invoice processing. Invoice or request for payment is entered in Abila accounting software and an issuance is created. Issuance is audited by CFO or designee. Issuance is routed for approvals from appropriate program directors. Issuance is then ready for check run or electronic funds transfer. Accounts payable check run processing. Accounts payable department prints and prepares checks. The CFO or designee reviews the printed checks with supporting documentation and initials for approval. Checks are then forwarded to the COO. The COO attains required signatures based on the thresholds indicated. Then it goes forward to the COO, then prepares the checks for mailing and returns the paid invoices and check documentation to accounting department for filing. Accounts payable EFT processing. Accounts payable department prints electronic funds transfer template. CFO or controller reviews the template with supporting documentation and initials for approval. Template is then forwarded to CEO for approval. Accounting designee uploads file to the bank. CFO or controller approves the bank wire. Accounting specialist creates a cash disbursement voucher and files documentation in vendor files. Payroll. Employee enters their time into an electronic timesheet system called EWS. HR reviews and corrects timesheets, then forwards to payroll along with any temporary or permanent changes of employee pay. Payroll specialist does final review of timesheet information, processes all changes, then calculates payroll. The CFO or designee reviews calculated payroll and supporting documentation. Payroll specialist prepares and uploads direct deposit file to the bank. The CFO or designee approves the ACH bank payment to employees. Monthly fiscal reports to Policy Council and Fiscal Audit Committee and Board of Directors. This is the list of reports prepared monthly and the appropriate distribution as indicated. Please note that the Fiscal and Audit Committee receives a copy of every report listed. Now, on behalf of the Fiscal Department, thank you so much for all that you do.